My name is Alishan Ansari. So in this video, we'll see the Android Studio, some feature of the Android Studio. So here you can see the Android Studio text over here, and you can see the about of Android Studio. So which version we are using? So we are using currently 3.0.1 version, and this is a JRE version, the JVM version, which we are using the build and the last release of the build. This one the and after that you can check for the update if any update is available, and you can change the preference setting. You can hide the Android Studio. You can quit the Android Studio from here, and if you have the file button, so you can create the new project from this tab, and you can just import the existing project. You can import the project from the version control, and you can just open the recently used the project, and you can close the project, and other settings are also there, so you can use this setting. So edit, you can just so the editing the so it is basically for the editor, so you can use this. So these are the some other navigations, the code and the analyzing tool, so you can analyze the your code, whatever you have written. You can just clean the code from here, and you can just see the unused code like that. And you can have the refactoring here, so if you want to refactor the code or some other operations are there regarding the refactor. And the build is for the making the project, the clean, you if you want to clean the project and rebuild the project, so you can use this one. And you can have the build apks. You can, if you want to generate the apk, so you can generate apk, analyze apk, and generate the signed apk. And run is just for the running the application. Here you can see the debug, and you can do the profiling. You can just record this test cases and all. You can and you have the tool. So here you can see the Firebase and the Kotlin. So by clicking the Firebase, you can just directly go to the Firebase console, and you can just directly create the project from there, and you can just connect from this Android Studio itself. So no need to go to the Firebase console and just create the project. So this is the inbuilt support by this Android Studio. So VCS is only for the versioning control. So here you can share the project on the GitHub or any other repository you can share, and you can just import the project from the repository. And this one help, you can just if you facing any issues, so you can just take the help from here. And if you want to submit some feedback, so you can just submit the feedback. And yeah, and here you can log in the to the Android Studio. So in my case, I have already logged in the Android Studio, so it is just showing my login here. And you didn't if you don't have if you didn't log in there, so you'll be seeing the options of login, and you can just log in, and after that you can see your account here. So this was all about the Android Studio. And here you can have the project. So here you can have the project structure. So there are different type of project structure. So I'd like to I just like to view the project in the Android tab only. So here will be some files, and this one the Gradle scripts, and we'll see each of them in detail in the upcoming videos. And here you can see the structure. So as of now it's not showing. So it is for the class, which suppose I have a Java class. So in that Java class, if I click this structure, so it will show me some whatever methods I have there. So it will show the structure of that method, the capture. If you have the capture the images and all, so it will be coming in the capture section. The favorite, the build variant. So if you have some different type of build, debug and release, so it will be showing here. And this is the terminal. If you want to use the terminal, means you want to do some operations with the ADB, so you can use this one. Or if you want to do some command line operation with the versioning control, so you can just write the command here. So it is just like a terminal we use in the this command line. Or yeah. And after that, the logcat. So if you want to see any logs, so here you can see. And this here you can select the device which in which device you want to see the log, and here you can just select the application in which application you want to see the log. And the verbose is just like for giving the every operation, every log, and the debug will be having the debug mode log, and information will be having the information mode logs, the warning and the error and the assert. And here you can search some string, some log based on the string. And yeah, that so this was all about the Android. And here you can see the messages, the once you just start the application, and was if no error is there, so it will just show like this. And the run, if you are debugging that application, so you can just see that stop debug and this clear this log. And this if you have some to do items in the your Java file, so if you have commented as a to do, so you'll be seeing that to do code here, to do class code here. And yeah, so after that uh, I just want to show you some other things. So here you can see this sorry, this one, this SDK manager. So suppose you want to have once you install the Android Studio, so the latest SDK will be installed in your machine. So if you want to install some other SDKs also, SDK platform also, so you can use this SDK tool. So I have already installed this many, so whatever the checkbox is selected, so this I have already installed. So if I want to install this one, so I just click this one and I just click OK button, so it will be just downloading and the starting. So this was the about the Android Studio. And here the key map means the shortcuts here you can edit. So editors styling you can edit. So plugins, if you want to add some plugin, the copyright plugin, and the Firebase, the Kotlin. And if you want to add some plugin just like JSON creator and all, so you can add here. And the build execution, the tools, and the other setting is also there, so you can just explore by yourself. If you face any problem, so you can just comment on the comment section. And yeah, that's it for the this video. In this next video we'll be just going through through this application code. So we'll be just going through the each of the component, what is the manifest, what is the Java, what is the resource. So we'll be just covering this all in detail. So thank you for the watching this video.